Alright, so this is going to be a very quick video of finding the center of mass of your car. Now, this is obviously important for the initial launch of your car, so the tipping moment. So you want to have your center of mass obviously further back towards the car. So to do this, what you can do is go to Inspect, and then you've got all these different things that you can use to analyze your car, but we want to focus on center of mass. It's going to ask you to select the bodies. So obviously we've got two bodies here, so we'll click both of them and press OK. Alright, now at the moment that's where my center of mass is. So obviously depending on what you do to the car body, if I made things a bit thicker at the back, then obviously that would shift. Now what's worth noting as well is that you would obviously want to make sure that the materials that you've set are correct as well, because if I set this material to be nylon 12 and this material to be something else, obviously that will change the center of mass. So to do that, I think, let me just double check. Here we are, so in modify, if we go physical material, okay, obviously you can go through and change that. So it should be a box that appears. Here it is. Awesome, so you can then choose what sort of materials that you want. So, I don't know, just as an example, we've got a plastic. Alright, let's just say the front wing here is ABS, and let's just say, let me close that actually. I'll go to wood. Alright, now, alright, so I could just go ahead and change, I don't know, let's just do, say, pine for example. Alright, now all of a sudden you can see that that center of mass changed both times when I applied that material to it. So that's worth noting as well. Change the material so it is very similar to your car. Alright, and then obviously you can do that. Now, yeah, like I said, obviously balsa wood doesn't appear in here, and that's normally what we use in Australia anyway for F1 in schools. So yeah, we can go ahead and we can make a material to match that, but otherwise, generally speaking, if you just make the whole thing as similar as you can to the materials that you are using, all right, you should get a decent idea of where your center of mass is. So yeah, at the moment, as you can see here, all right, it's about there. But yeah, you want to try and move it further towards the back if you can, if you want to try and get a better launch for your car. All right, thank you.